I saw that. I don't know how accurate this thing is. My typical heart rate is around 65-ish, I think. 60, 65, so... I don't know. I remember last time I used this, it was really jumpy. But also, I'm very jumpy on the inside, so... Who knows, right? Who knows? Kiara has a really steady heart rate. Was Kiara's heart rate steady when she bathed with rain? Lene! That's crazy. Their vacation looks so nice. But also very honeymoon-like. Like the pictures that I keep seeing, I'm like... This is adorable. This is so adorable. It's very honeymoon-esque. Yeah, it's super cute. Like the bathtub with the rose petals and stuff. I should have asked if it was a jacuzzi tub.